Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see a very popular and mouth-watering winter special dessert recipe which is Gajar ka halwa. And friends, the taste will be just like the ones you buy from your favorite sweet shops. So let's get started making Gajar ka halwa, which is even my favorite. So here in this bowl I have some grated carrots. I have used here 7 to 8 carrots, and along with this we'll also need some chopped dry fruits like almonds, cashews, pistachios and some raisins. And now first we'll fry the chopped dry fruits. Next heat a non-stick pan and add around 1 tablespoon of desi ghee or clarified butter. Let the ghee melt completely. And now into this add the chopped dry fruits. I will not fry the raisins, only the pistachios, almonds and cashew you need to fry. The dry fruits has been fried and are light golden brown, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a bowl. In the same pan add 1 big cardamom or bari elaichi. Now add the grated carrots into the pan. And on medium flame, we need to saute the grated carrots for about 5 to 6 minutes until the color slightly changes. So after 6 to 7 minutes, you can see the color of the carrots has changed and has released all its moisture. I will saute for another few minutes. By now the carrots has been sauteed well. At this stage I'll be adding some milk, around 120 ml. This is full cream milk. Along with milk, I will also be adding 2 tablespoons of malai, which I extracted from the milk. Give this a good mix. And now we will cover and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on low to medium flame. In the meantime, I will grate some mawa using a grater. Now adding mawa is optional, but if you use, your halwa will definitely taste good just like the halwais make. So I have grated sufficient mawa for our gajar halwa. It's almost 8 minutes and by now the carrots has also been well cooked. I'll increase the flame to high now so that the consistency becomes thick and the halwa becomes a bit dry. By now the halwa has become semi-dry. Now time to add sugar, around half cup. Adjust sugar according to your taste. I will add the remaining sugar also. And now I will add the grated mawa. I have kept some mawa for later use, that is while garnishing the halwa. Now mix the sugar and mawa well until they get dissolved with the halwa. And now I'll be adding 1 more tablespoon of desi ghee so that you get that real taste of gajar halwa and the rich flavor of desi ghee remains intact in the halwa. Finally, I'll be adding the fried dry fruits, a pinch of cardamom powder and the raisins. Now give a final mix. The smell which I am getting right now is so tempting, and being a lover of gajar halwa, I can't wait any longer. And friends, our halwa is also ready to be served hot now. And here goes our rich gajar ka halwa loaded with dry fruits and mawa. Serve the halwa hot and enjoy with your friends and family. I will garnish with some more mawa on top. So friends, do try this delicious winter special dessert recipe. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks. And if you like my today's video, then do like, share and subscribe to Continental Desi Kitchen for more such delicious recipes. See you soon again in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.